The examiner says, well done, you passed, congratulations, you're over the moon, you're going to get a car. That's what it's all about, isn't it? What you need to remember is that going forward, you're no longer classed as a learner. Whether you put a P plate on or not, it's up to you, but you're no longer classed as a learner, you're classed as a full license holder. So don't get 6 points in 2 years, otherwise you'll get your license revoked in the UK. The other thing you need to think about is that if you're going to make mistakes, and you will make mistakes, trust me, you're going to make mistakes over the next 5, 10, 20, 30 years. Everyone makes mistakes. You're going to kind of try and limit them so that it's not dangerous. Because if it becomes dangerous, you're going to get involved in an accident. And I talk about mistakes where you forget to indicate, or you leave your indicator on, silly mistakes like that, or you try and pull off in the wrong gear when you're about to pull off at a junction and stall. You think, oh God, I can't believe I did that. So try and keep that standard up, right? And then you'll be fine. Right? Your awareness and planning will improve dramatically over the next few months, because when you're driving around, you're going to get lots and lots of driving compared to a 1 or 2 hour lesson a week. You're going to be driving maybe 1 hour a day, 2 hours a day, depending on where you're traveling to. And along that time, you're going to come across strange things with other drivers on the roads that you never come across before. It's important for you to keep yourself safe, because that's where you're at the moment. And like I said a few minutes ago, is that over the time, your awareness and planning of dangers, anticipation will improve. You'll start to spot things quicker, and you'll start to think, oh, that looks a bit weird, I'm going to slow down. Whereas a learner, you're thinking, what's going on there? But you're still approaching the hazard at the same speed. So your awareness will improve, all right? And remember, like I say, I keep saying this, you will make mistakes. But it's important for you to kind of keep their mistakes to a minimum and try and keep improving, right? Try and at the end of, let's say, your first few lessons, your first few drives on your own, is self-evaluate yourself. So when you get home and you're at home with your feet up, say, well, that was a good drive, no one bid me, I've done nothing wrong, I'm fine. Or, I can't believe I pulled off in the wrong gear then and I struggled to get away and that car caught up and they're waving behind me. Next time, I'm going to make sure I'm in first gear to pull off. Silly things like that will catch you out every now and then. But if you're focusing on you becoming better at driving, you'll be fine. Good luck on the roads. Remember, you will make mistakes. Try and limit mistakes to silly little things rather than dangerous things. I'm going to put a couple of videos below for you to watch. Safe driving on the roads.